Today's unboxing is on the latest Tomica Aeon release. This is one of the many Tomica that is rolling out this month. Generic box design with the 50th anniversary gold background included. Fabulous paint job as always. Really like the blue on the NSX-R. A very sharp Honda badge and also the police marking. No other details on the license plate or on the front. The finishing is more towards the red box treatment. Standard racing wheels with suspension without any opening parts. The UK Police livery are simple and very distinctive with the checkered design. What's missing here is the siren. That's a crucial element for the Police NSX-R. Spoiler is integrated with the body to cut costs. Well, I'm really happy. The rear light is in plastic in red together with the Honda badge that enhance the otherwise basic details. And the scale is 1:59. Apart from the missing siren, I'm very happy to add the NSX-R into my Honda collection. And remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye.